Welcome to the FormPipe software video demonstration of the LaserNet solution for Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 from the user's point of view. In this video, we provide you with an overall introduction to the concept and software. We will show how the software will affect the user's daily work by going through the following functions. We will show how you make print to LaserNet screen in detail, how to use the LaserNet print option with printer choice, email, and fax, how to use the LaserNet archive, resend, etc., how you can add additional documents, be it internal or external ones, straight from the Exapter attachments, how to send multiple documents, like invoices, from the LaserNet archive, and lastly, we will sum up what the software can mean to your business. Let's begin with the concept and software. The LaserNet solution for Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 contains two applications. First, we will take a closer look at the LaserNet server. The LaserNet server is the application that makes the connections to the network, printers, and mail servers, etc. With the LaserNet server application, you do the design of your reports by drag and drop. You can create various types of documents, XML, PDF, TIFF, and CSVs, etc., in a very easy way. You can distribute your documents to many systems, like FTP, email, web services, and SharePoint. With LaserNet, you can also receive various types of documents, including scanned invoices. LaserNet runs on a Windows server. With LaserNet, what you see is what you get. The second application is an Exapter plugin. With the LaserNet AX plugin, you can control your business logic with our distribution rules. You have a PDF archive. You can reprint or resend the original document straight from the archive and keep a log of the document history. You can add additional data without touching the SSRS report and Visual Studio. The LaserNet AX plugin provides you with the option to create reports without using SSRS report and Visual Studio. The LaserNet solution for Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 works in the following way. The Exapter plugin generates an XML, which includes the distribution rules, archive path, the data from the report, and extra added data. The XML file goes into the LaserNet server, where it is transformed into the right layout and converted into the right format. It is then distributed through the right channels and archived. Now we will show you how the users may work with the software, with a strong focus on how to make print to LaserNet screen. Let us take a sales order as a good example. If you wish to see how your order confirmation looks like before you post it, choose Proforma Confirmation, Printer Setup, and LaserNet Screen. An XML file is generated and sent to the LaserNet server, transformed into the correct layout, converted into a PDF, and saved in a folder on the network. Exapter then picks up the PDF and shows it on the screen. Next topic is the LaserNet print option. If you want to post a document manually, you have to choose the LaserNet option within Printer Setup. Here, you can choose Print, Email, Fax, Custom, and Use Predefined Destination. In the Print option, you can select a printer from the list and a printer profile. A profile could contain information about using a specific tray. In the Email option, you can type in the recipient of the email and be on CC and blind copy. Furthermore, you should type in the mail subject and body. Simply type in the fax number in the fax box. Within Custom Port, you can select custom-made destinations, like FTP sites, etc. Use predefined destinations is mostly used if you have added business logic like an email rule, etc. Then, LaserNet will search for an email, for example on the sales order. This option will most likely be used when printing in batches. In the default destination, you have the option to select what should happen with the document if no rules apply. Normally, you select a printer if you configure a batch job. For more information about predefined destination, please watch the FormPipe LaserNet AX video from the administrator's point of view. In this case, we choose the Print option and select the HP printer with the printer profile Tray 1. Now the document is printed and archived. Next topic is the LaserNet archive. The task is to locate the archived PDF from the LaserNet archive. We select Axapta's Sales Order Confirmation Journal. In the journal, you have an overview of the processed documents. You can select any line and then click on the LaserNet button. With LaserNet, you can resend the original document again to a printer, email, or fax. When resending the document, we are using the PDF for email, fax, and print. In this way, changes made to the SSRS report or LaserNet layout done after the document process date is not included. That's why the LaserNet archive is unique. Let us try to resend the sales confirmation on email. Simply type in the receiving emails, mail subject and body in this form, and then press the OK button. Now the confirmation is emailed. In the Resend function, you can also select LaserNet Screen. LaserNet picks up the archived PDF and shows it on the screen. No document is processed. In the LaserNet archive, you get a more detailed log of the document. It shows the user if the document was printed or emailed to begin with, what the printer name was, and who received it on the email. Furthermore, you can see the PDF again, or the original XML file with the data that was sent to the LaserNet server. Once a document has been resent, you may see it in the Resend column. Our next topic is attachments. Here, we will show you how easy it is to add additional documents to a sales confirmation in an outgoing email. Simply select Attachments in the top menu. Add a new record and select File. Select the file you want to add as an attachment. You can control your documents, both the internal and external ones, and make rules for only emailing external documents. When you email the document, you do not have to think about adding the attachment to the email, as LaserNet does this automatically. In this case, we add terms and conditions, but it could also have been certificates, contracts, or agreements. Here is a sample of the outgoing email. Note that the additional document is attached along with the confirmation. Next, we will show you how easy it is to send more than one invoice to one customer on an email. The invoices could of course also have been printed or uploaded to an FTP site. We first locate the invoice journal, and then we select the invoices that we want to email. Then we locate the LaserNet button in the top menu and choose Email. Just fill in the required fields and send the email. Here, you see the email sent to the customer. Please note that all 5 invoices are attached in the email. FormPipe LaserNet for Microsoft Dynamics AX, the fast and effective document distribution tool for Microsoft Dynamics AX. Control your distribution, print to LaserNet screen, fax, email, etc. in an easy and effective manner, and save on resources. If you want to receive more info or book a technical demo, please contact sales.lasernet@formpipe.com or visit www.lasernetdynamics.com for more information and videos.